nations, cities, and towns, church bells have become an almost ubiquitous part of the soundscape.
We often don't notice them because we're too much in a hurry.
3 Norwich residents are attempting to catalog and record every bell in the city.
Since we started this project, I've been noticing bells much more often and realizing they're part of the background even today.
Is it still here?
There was a time when bells served as much more than just background music.
When you think about it, during the colonial time, each green had a church with a steeple and a bell, and that was the center for the colonial society.
Bells told the time, announced births and deaths, and called people to worship or to work in the mills.
1855. Your life, particularly in the 19th century in Norwich during the Industrial Revolution, was pretty well regimented by bells.
According to Plummer, the city historian, every bell in Norwich rang at once on January 1st, 1863, to celebrate the end of slavery in the South. This group hopes to recreate that celebration for the 150th anniversary of the Emancipation Proclamation.
These are new since the last time I was here.
Plummer and Oat have been climbing to sometimes scary heights in order to see each bell up close.
It's pretty exciting. It's terrifying.
Yeah, it's interesting, as Dale said, to climb up these ladders that are, some of them over 100 years old, and to get to places where a lot of folks don't get to, and to see the bell up close.
No. It's interesting to realize that now in the 21st century, we're at a place where we're more dependent on digital technology and computers.
Do you want the other one?
No, this is good. Bells are in some cases falling into neglect and being utilized less. And maybe if we can help to preserve and educate young people about the importance of the bell in our history, that's something we'd like to do as well.